Oh, Kara, let's go.
Let's go ask out a random guy.
Random. Oh, look, here's a random
look.
guy.
You want to go on a date with us?
This is dating 101. Oh, this isn't real.
You go up, say, hello.
You have to introduce yourself.
My name is Kara. What is your name?
Please, kind stranger.
He's paying folks.
From his smoothies. Oh, we can't show him that because then people try to poison it. Shake hands.
My name is Kara. What is your name? Wait, your hand is cold.
Okay.
Very cold, folks. Very cold.
Okay, then you ask if you want to go on a date. Wait, after chatting. Okay, wait.
After chatting.
Okay.
Hello.
Chat, chat, chat. Oh, you're so cool. Oh, really? Thanks. All right. Okay. Now action.
Do you want to go on a date with me?
Where to?
The mall. Oh, we're already here.
Well,
Let's go. And that is how you ask a person out on a date.
this was not scripted, by the way.